How do you do?
Eh?
How do you do?
Yes.
Could I ask you 2 questions?
Yeah, well, it does depend what they are. I can't spend all day conversationalising with the junior public. Now, what are they?
Well, firstly, what's that white mark on the coal heap for, please?
That's to tell how much coal there is, you see, in case anybody nicks it. Now, second question, please.
Do you know anything about engines?
Do I know anything about engines? Why?
Because I've got one.
Got what gauge?
Oh, I don't know anything about gauges, but it's about this big.
Yes?
It's brass, and it blew up.
It blew up? Well, just excuse me, young man. I've got a lot to do because the station master's having his haircut in Leeds, you see. And Perks must be about it.
Perks? Who's Perks?
Me, sir. I'm Perks. Right on time.
What is?
This here is the Scots Flyer.
Why is it going so slowly, Mr. Perks?
Why? Well, it's all uphill to Scotland, isn't it?
That train's going to Scotland. If Daddy's not in London, he's in Scotland. And that train's going to Scotland. Perhaps, Phil.